Hey girls, hey guys. Today I'm at the field. Here is about 5 minutes away from my house. I'll show you something interesting today. Do you like mushrooms? In Japan, shiitake mushrooms are the most popular kind. Yes, these shiitake mushrooms. It may not be well known in other countries, but it's very yummy mushrooms. This field is mushroom field. You can see lots of mushroom. This side too. And here, that's my mom. And this one is chestnut trunk. Can you see here? It's a little hole here. My father put a hole on it, and he put some kind of shiitake mushroom seeds inside. Then in spring and autumn, mushroom grows like this. You can see a lot. It was rainy last night, so it's very good timing to harvest it. Look at this one. This mushroom. This is not that big, but this is the best timing to harvest it. This one looks bigger than the other one. Looks good, but it's kinda overgrown. So this is the best one I can see for now. And this one. Here is still two small mushrooms. You can see a lot. It's kinda, middle forest kind of field. You can see. This kind of place is better for mushrooms. This one is also some kind of mushroom, but I don't think you can eat it. It just grows naturally. Okay, I show you. Okay, this one is the best. Just pick it like this. Easy to pick it. Some kinds of mushroom you need to walk around to pick it. But this one, you can cultivate it like this. And you can use this shiitake mushroom for different kinds of cook. But the best way to eat fresh shiitake like this one is very simple. Put a little bit of salt and just barbecue it. Fresh shiitake have very good flavor. With barbecue, you can taste it well. You don't need sauce, just a little bit of salt. That's it. Okay, that's it for this video. See you next time.